Guys, this is Mr. Punch here, and I'm here with single player commands mod for 1.01, 1.401, and here's where you download it. The download link will be in the description. What you do is you go down here. These are the item codes and shit, and then you want to go to previous download for Minecraft beta version 1.4 thingy 01, and then download that, because I don't know. Wait, no, don't download these. You want to go to Mirror and download it. So let's. Oh wait, no. You don't want to go to Mirror or whatever it's called. I lied to you, I'm sorry. You want to go to Preferred. So, hold on, guys. I know my computer's kinda laggy. Am I even recording? Yes, I'm recording. That's a good thing. Anyway, so you go to Preferred download. Sorry, I gotta go pee really bad. And I'm thinking about doing functional books and then what you do is you skip it, and then it will like be ready to download. Like, see, we're gonna do this. Hurry, come on. Anywho, yeah, you just skip the ad up here and download it. So let's close out of that. Anywho, so continuing on, let's open the jar file. That's how I do it, and then go there, type in %app data %, hit OK. It'll take you to the room and go to your .minecraft jar, and then you go to bin. And then what you want to do first is, let's open this. Open up single player commands, and then take world edit jar and drag it in there. Okay, then yeah, you add it in there. And then what you want to do is open up the Minecraft.jar now. And then you delete the meta.inf file. So this is easy. Oh, okay, so you take all these, hold on, just make sure you just scroll down here and click on one of these. Grab all those from settings .class to world edit plugin, and then you take the player helper, hit OK, then take the ch .class and put it in there and hit OK. And then there you go. Now let's start up Minecraft, people. And then I'm gonna go take a piss. Oh, come on, hurry. Are you really gonna give me a fucking black screen now? Give it a minute. Yeah, see, there it went. Yeah, guys, I didn't get a black screen, don't worry. It was just, it's kind of being retarded. Okay. Yeah, see single player commands, so you can do like /fly. If you hit T to like type and stuff, and then once you go to the single player commands, it'll tell you all the commands you can do and how to use them, and it'll tell you the item codes, so you can hit /I and you can spawn animals and all kinds of cool stuff, guys. So yeah, peace out. If it ever lets me say peace out. So yeah, I don't know.